Guys, you can see here that we can use a resize as a function, and we can pass the two parameters, which is the width and height of the image, and it resizes your image. So first we need to use the image make, and then this is the images in the public folder, and it resize this. Okay, so it says that in the comment open and resize an image and save image as JPG with the medium quality. So you need to do it in this way, and save image with the JPG with the default in this way. So there is a lot of things in the documentation if you go then. So now let's start to upload the images. So if I go here, and we are in the photo/screen. Okay, and this was the form. So here we did a validation, and now we use here app/photo. So use app/photo phot photo, and now here in the store method, so here in the store method, so we need to first get the file. Okay, so file is, if you go here in the resources, in the photo and the create, the name of the file, let's see the name of file, and name of file here is file. So let's make this image. Here I want to make this image and this image. Okay, image and rest of things are same. So this, the name is, the description is for description. So here is an image, and here description, and the name here is title. Now let's go here. So first I want to get the image. So image, and then here I request 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 file image, image, and file name, file name, and name. So file name is simply image has name. We already used the has name, so we'll again use here has name. So here the has name. Now let's get the format of the file. So I'll give one more space here and then write format. So format is the request image and get client original extension. So get client original original extension extension, get client original extension. This is the file format. So if it's JPG, then it will be stored as a JPG. If it's PNG, then it will be stored as a PNG. Okay, now let's set the path. So we have three different folders here in the if you go here, then in the uploads directory we have the different folders. So we have resized the image into three different folders, right? So, and the original image will be within the uploads directory. So first is the path. I'll make the path, and this will be the upload. So whenever user uploads the original image, that will be stored in the upload directory. Okay, and dot, and this is the file name. And now let's start as a path one, and path is one is uploads, and then slash, and then it's 1280 x into 1024. Okay, and I'll give the slash and dot, I'll give the file name, and now it's part 2. Part 2 is uploads, uploads uploads slash, it's 316 x into 255, and dot, and file name. And part 3 is uploads, uploads slash 118 x 95. So these are the three file names. So we'll resize into this, and we'll store in the same directory. So we're resizing the image 3 times. Okay, now we have to use, actually in documentation we're using the image, and then we'll be using the make, right? So image make, will be using the image make, and we have to declare this image as well. So image make, and let's go here and let's do use image. So use image, we should declare that at the top, we should mention that at the top, and now here I'll give a semicolon, and here I can write image and make, and then here will be the path of the image. So you can see here image make, and this is the actual path of image. So it's public, and the image is info.jpg. So for here now I can write the image, and path I can get as using get real path. So in laravel I can get this as a real path, so real path will give the actual path, okay, and then I can resize into, let's say, so I'm storing this in the default here in the path one, so I want to resize this into 800 and 600. Okay, so in this form I want to resize, and we have to save this now. So save, I have to write the save, and then where I want to save it, I want to save this into the path, so it will be the path. Okay, so now I'll copy this, and I have to repeat the same thing for other as well. So 1, 2, and rest of 3. So here now I'm getting the real path, and I have to save this into the folder. So I'll copy this 1280, so 1280 here, 1280, and this will be 1024, and this will be saved into the path 1. That means it will be saved in this directory. Now I have to save the third image in the path 2. So here this will be path 2, and the size I have to save is 316, and the width of the image will be 255, and here now it's in path 3, and it's 118, and then there's 95. Okay, so 95. So we have resized the image, and we save that image into our respective folder. Okay, now here I have to instantiate the model, so photo, because I need to save the original image path into the database. So use photo, we have photo declare here, so use photo, and then we have the photo title title title, and we're getting this as a request title title. Similarly, we have a photo description dsc rip description, and we're getting this as a request description, and we're getting this as a request description. And similarly photo, and then we'll have the path, and this is the path, and the path is the file name. So we're setting this file name. Okay, we're saving the file name. So here I'll write the file name, file file, and name. Now after this I have to save the format as well. So photo, and here format, 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 which will be the format, and I think everything is done now. So I have to save photo, and then I'll write save. Okay, done, and then I'll redirect back with the message. So here I'll write message, let's say wallpaper or paper uploaded, or image uploaded successfully. Now I have to display this message. So here in the backend, in the ringtone, in the create, we have this session message. So I'll just grab this, and then I'll paste over here. So I'll go here, and then I'll paste. So it's already here. Okay, so no need to do that again. So now it's time to test this. Okay, so let's go and let's try this. So refresh this, and then I'll give, this is first image, and this wallpaper can be downloaded into different sizes. And let me choose the wallpaper here. So here, sorry, actually we made here in the create.blade.bc, we made here audio, so it's not giving to browse the images. So here, instead of audio, now I have to make this image. Or you can just remove this also. Even if you remove this, that's fine. Okay, or if you want to validate, then you can do just image slash star. Okay, so now I can browse the pic. This is first image, and I'll write this, and then let's go here. Now I can select the image. So let me select the image, this image. So I'll select this one and submit, and I got nothing. So let's see here. I haven't got any message, and I haven't got any error as well. So let's check the route. So it's the photos.store, and we have the photos, and in the photos.store we have this. So, and let's see over here. So we don't have any photos here, nothing is uploaded. So let's try this. So it's not a file, it's the image. Sorry, we change this, and this is the image. Okay, so here you got the image. So this may be the problem. So now let's do, and this image, and let's copy, let's upload image. So I'll upload this and submit, and we're getting errors. So it's the unknown column path. So here, so it's a file, and it's a file, and what I have done here is, sorry, we wrote his path, so it's file. Okay, but I think in the ringtone is also file, and in the photos also is file. So it's not path, it's file. So let's try again, and upload this one and submit, and you can see wallpaper uploaded successfully. And let's go here, and you can see here this is the first image, and description here, and this is the image, and format this, and size we have not provided size, we need to provide that size as well. We'll upload a second image, and you can see here, so we uploaded. So this was a first upload, I think. So you can see 2 times, because when we are unable to store the image to our database, the image was already moved to our public database. So that's why we are getting 2 images. Okay, so don't be get confused about that. So, and this is the another image, and this one is the another image. Okay, now let's get the size as well. So we need to provide the size as well. So here I'll give photo, photo, and then I'll make size, and here we need to get a size. So we can easily get size by get size. So if you go here in the ringtone control, then this is how we get a size. Okay, so copy this, and let's make here size $size, it is size, and then sorry, and then paste this, and this is the request, this is the image, image, and get size. Okay, and we're here size. Now let's try this, and this time we should have size as well. So this is second wallpaper, and copy this and paste this multiple times, and I'll copy this and paste, and submit, and say call function save on integer. Sorry, this is size, the size, that is size. Now submit this again, and this is uploaded, and now you can see here, and now we have the size as well. Okay, and this image is available here as well. It's available here as well. So this much for this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.